working on lesson 12. And let's go ahead and take a look at two of our files. So I'm going to select 12A start and end, select film strip, and we can see the start 12A, which is a CRW file, which is a RAW, and the 12A end, which is now a PSD file. We're going to edit, and it'll end up looking something like that. Other files that we want to see is, I'm just going to put these in a separate order. So we can start with our start file, which is also an NEF, which is also Nikon RAW. We have 12B start, and then we have the Photoshop edited file, which is 12B end. The CRW is proprietary, and that is Canon RAW. And then we just have Fruit JPEG. If I open up, we also have in the next folder, we have Mission 1 CRW, Mission 2 CRW, and Mission 3 CRW. And we're going to select all of them. I can shift click or just swing and select, or let me do this again. Click on the corner and then just drag up, and I've selected all of them. And then we go to edit. Actually, excuse me. View. No. Once again, file, open in Camera Raw, or quick key command R. And here are our files opened up in Camera Raw. And here they're at the bottom of the film strip. If I want to see them vertically, they're horizontal right now, so now they're vertically. And I'm going to put them, and I click onto the film strip, and I want them horizontal. So that can be just like in the book. Also in the book, they want you to know the name of the file. So click on Show File Names. To the left side, we have several tools, to the right side. And if you hover over here, you can see different things like the spot removal tool. We have the red eye shift tool. And we also have several edit options. We have basic, which normally you work from the top down. You don't have to, but I learned it to go from the top down. You have curves, we have details, color mixer, color grading, optics, geometry, effects, and calibration. So the first image that we're going to work on is Mission CR2. Get that file ready.